No, take the Mimi out of your mouth. What does a rooster do? What's the chicken do? What's the snake do? What does the monkey do? What does the donkey do? What's the sheep do? What's the horsey do? What's the cat do? What else? What's the cow do? What's the elephant do? Can you count?
1, 2, Nana.
To Nana?
No, count for mommy.
There's Nana.
Count.
Count.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! Do you know the ABCs?
A, B, C, N, K, L, R, P, Q,
Take the Mimi out of your mouth.
J, O,
T-O.
W, X, Y, and Z.
Hey, what color are you wearing?
Really shape.
What color is this?
Blue.
What color
Yeah.
is Mimi's shirt?
Black.
What color is Nana's?
Nana's.
Brown.
Say bye-bye, Uncle Ron.
Take that thing out of your mouth. Take the Mimi out of your mouth.
But Uncle Ron.
Say bye-bye, Auntie Lori.